Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, assembling and testing out this smart hula hoop. Will it be all it's cracked up to be? We will find out. So guys, this is the hula hoop that we're going to test today. It is the Kmart hula hoop. The smart hula hoop, if you didn't know. So let's get straight into it and see what's inside the box. Okay guys, so this is the box. This is the Kmart smart hula hoop. Let's have a little look inside it. Okie dokie. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, fancy. Oh, well that's nice. So it says thank you, liking this so far. And let's take the packaging off. So we've got a nice little instruction book there. And then I'm imagining, well I've seen it advertised, this is like a belt that you wear around your waist whilst you're hula hooping. And ooh, we have a little sports towel just in case we get a little bit hot and sweaty. We can cool ourselves down, dab ourselves down. And then we have the actual ring hula hoop or, smart hula hoop inside. So let's start by putting it together. It looks really nice. Let's see if it is really nice. Are we ready? Okay, so let's put it together. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention there are these little connectors inside. Totally didn't see that until then. Okay, so let's open this up. Pop these on the floor. Oh my gosh, I can't even get into the bag. Seriously. Okay, and I'm gonna come a little bit closer to show you this. So this is like the first piece that we're gonna connect. So let's take one of our little connectors, and these little push buttons here that we're going to push down. So let's push that down. Oh yeah, and as well, we should actually look at the instructions, shouldn't we? But this is what I'm imagining. Well, it's kind of self-explanatory, to be honest with you. It kind of shows you some diagrams inside, and it has some instructions as well. Anyhow, what we're going to do, we're just going to crack on with it, okay? I can't make head or tail of these instructions. I don't know if anyone else is like that with IKEA ones, and I just look at the pictures, and it's so much easier than actually reading. Anyhow, okay, so that one fitted together really nicely. So let's carry on. Okay, that's good. Okay, ooh. Now then, this one is not looking so good. For some reason, that is already like pressed down. Can you see that? Already pressed down. That doesn't look so good to me, but we will see. Hopefully it will not fling off whilst we are hula hooping. So it's not pressed up, so I'm not sure about that one, but we'll give it a whirl anyway. We'll give it a swirl or a twirl. Ooh, heck. Let's pop it in there. It's a little bit fiddly, guys. Oh my gosh. No, what the heck? God, that was difficult. Blinking Nora. I just want to hula hoop. Right, okay, let's pop that in. Right, okay, so let's just see how this is gonna go around me. Oh, I'm not sure about that. Okay, definitely needs one more, but to be honest with you, I don't know if you can see that. Like, there's not much budge in it, is there? Like, I don't know, I feel like if I bend it too far back, it's gonna break. So I don't know if this is the way you're actually meant to put it on. Have I read it wrong? I don't know. Let's just put another one on. And then that looks like it's gonna be the right size for me, doesn't it? So let's pop this on. This is kind of obvious how to put it on. You can see these like little runners at the side. So let's just face that little timer or the counter at the top, well, so I can see it. And then just slide it on the runner, and then let's pop this together. Ouch, watch your fingers when you're doing that. Okay guys, so it's on. I'm not convinced yet, but that sounds a bit negative. So let's give it a whirl. Here we go. There's a few pieces left over, by the way, as well. So I'm just gonna leave those in the box. And I obviously haven't put that belt on. I feel like this is gonna be absolutely fine on my waist like this. Okay, my lovelies, so here we are with our smart hula hoop. Now let's talk about the design. So I'm gonna come a bit closer so you can see this. Now I do actually like the design. I like the color. I like the color of it. And I like this pink color here on the weight. However, the design, it feels blinking weird. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel that great. It feels really weird. It's so loose, can you see that? But if I had it a little bit tight, it'd be too tight. So I don't really understand that yet. But anyway, that's just my opinion. So design looks nice, but feels really weird. And then let's have a look at the timer. So the timer, I keep calling it a timer. Let's have a look at the counter, the smart features of the hula hoop. Are they really that smart? So I'm not sure you can see it from this angle, but we have a little counter, and it says auto and power off. So let's just have a little look. Oh, it says I've done 15 reps already, but I haven't, have I? It says I've done 47 seconds as well. Oh, hold on. Okay, now it's on 0-0. So let's give it a go. Right, I'm gonna have it a go and see how it feels. So let's think about the weight whilst we're doing this as well. Oh my gosh, let's give it a swing. Oh, guys, it's just too much to like think about and to analyze with this. Where the heck do I start? I'm just gonna stop for a second. I'm gonna have to stop. I can't concentrate. Well, it says I've done 19 seconds anyway. It hasn't actually counted anything. All right, there's too many things to talk about. Okay, so let's focus this conversation. So the weight feels really great. I like the feel of the weight. It doesn't feel too heavy or too light. It feels just about right. And I quite like this because it's a bit squidgy. So that's okay. The weight will give a thumbs up to that, all right? The smart features. Smart features are not that smart. I feel really awful saying this because I don't like slating things, but it's just the honest truth. Smart features, there's nothing smart about it, guys. It's a little timer that's not really blinking working, is it? Let's face it. Like, it hasn't even counted anything, has it? No, it's counted absolutely nothing, so it's not smart. Oh, I hate saying these things. It's just awful, isn't it? Comfort. Now, I am guessing you need the belt for the comfort because it's wibble wobbling all over. Look at that. Look at that. Let's give it another go. Oh my God. Guys, I'm not even joking here. Guys, what the heck? Oh, I feel quite ill about this. I feel not good about this at all. Oh my gosh, right, just give me a minute, Do you know what? It's that button, isn't it? It's that one that's... Right, I don't even know what to do with this review at the minute, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna take it off and we're just gonna hold it and we're just gonna look at it and pretend everything's okay. So comfort, it's not comfortable. I think if you put this on, it will feel better, so it's not all lost. Put the belt on, try that and see how it goes and it might feel better. We're not all lost on that bit, are we? So guys, I was actually thinking that I'd use this hoop for a couple of days or weeks and just let you know how I got on, but I can honestly say I'm not gonna use it again because that is definitely faulty. Like that shouldn't be like that, should it really? No, I'm not going to bother with that one. I'm really not. If it is for you, that's absolutely great. I don't want to put anybody off. But let's think about some positive things to say about it because we don't want it all to be negative. It is small and compact, so you can definitely take it on holiday with you. So that is a massive plus. If you've got a small space at home, then again, it would be fantastic for you so that you're not knocking things off. Just making sure you have one that actually connects and is secure. You can do it with no hands and you don't have to pick it up. So if you were hooping and it fell down, you'd have to pick it up. But with this one, you don't. You can just grab hold of it and then swing it around again. So there are obviously some good points to it. I would also say that if you are a beginner hooper, then this could be an idea for you because it's not going to fall down. So then you kind of feel a bit more confident with it. So, you know, there are some good points to it. However, overall, I wouldn't say it's the greatest hoop in the world. For me, it's a massive no. I won't be using this branded one again because it's just not working, guys. It's really not. So guys, I would absolutely love to hear from you. I'd love to know whether you are having a great time with these hula hoops, or if you've got a different one, which one you have got, and then I can test it out. So then I'm not completely put off these smart hula hoops because I'm sure there are some really good ones on the market and I would like to give it a go because I do love hula hooping. It's what I love the most, apart from my little babies and my family, of course. But I don't want to write it off just yet because there's definitely something in it. It keeps you fit, it keeps you active, it keeps you moving, and it lifts your mood. So it's not all lost, but I'm not sold on these yet. So guys, if you've got any more smart hula hoops that you think are really smart and really cool and would do the trick, please let me know down below and I'll be sure to give it a go. All right, guys, I hope that was kind of useful and not too negative. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you soon. Guys, I'm just putting this away, but honestly, like, I can't even, I'm not even joking here. I can't even get it off properly and it's hurting my thumb. I've just broken my blinking thumbnail. I'm getting married on Friday. It's now Wednesday. So that's no good to me, is it? Like, don't be ruining your nails on these things. It's not worth it.